Hey, yeah, I'm Kate from We Roll With It. Today I am installing on my Sprinter van the Terrawagen Mondo Mudguard extender. So basically I'm going to put 33s on this, and I put this mudguard extender on. It's going to pull this mud flat back and give me more room for my wheel here. So I did do one already on the other side, so let me show you that. Alright, so here's the one that's already been done, and so you can see how much room we have here on that. So back on the one that hasn't been done, we can compare the space. A little less space there. So the first thing I'm going to do is go inside and just turn my wheel that way so that I can access here. Your other option is you can also do it when you take your wheel off, because obviously if you're doing this, you're going to be changing your wheels. So either or, it's not too squishy to do it just with your wheels on. So let's do that for now. So the best part about any Terrawagen install is that they always give you jelly bellies. It's a really big decision because you have to decide if you're going to eat them before you do the job, or if it's like a reward for afterwards. Save it for after. Alright, step one, we're going to remove the existing mudguard here. Actually, we're going to keep this, so I shouldn't say existing. This is a keepsies. Don't destroy that. It's got a 10mm, which is back up in here. I don't know if you can see that, but and then up here there's two little bits which are the 25 star guy, little star friends. So let's get them off. One more 10mm underneath there. I can feel it feels like a 10mm. Alright, now we got to get this little plastic friend off. If you can squish your fingers inside in here, in between there and there, there's these little like white little plastic clips. We've got two little T's on either side of the clip, so if you get some tiny fingers and just like squeeze those T's, it'll pop right off. Alright, get that off without breaking any of those little T's. The little clips are very important. I need to put this back on again, so I'm going to get off in one piece. Now, I think it's 10mm again, and we're going to undo this, and do one more of this. These three friends are going to come undone. There's one more underneath. Oh, it's janky. Alright, there's one more underneath here and it's covered in stuff. Let me turn you around. Hang on. There's one more under here. I have to undo this one, I think. It is covered in like Sikaflex that's been painted or some janky crappy crap stuff here, so clean that off and then we'll undo that. Let me do that and then behind the scenes. Oh, okay, I got it. Of course all this gross junk just fell in my eyeballs. Delightful. Okay, next. Okay, next. Now I'm going to pull this bit sort of down, out and down. Don't stress too hard about this bit because this bit's a throwaway piece. I'm not going to keep it. Ew, janky, dirty. Okay. In here is all this like Sikaflexy kind of stuff, so we're just gonna get out that with your Stanley and just cut away at that to get it off the car. Okay. Okay, so I ended up slicing into it with the Stanley, and then I kind of pried it with this little doohickey, whatever this is, plastic removal kit guy. Got it off. Then I went back and cut into this blobby Sikaflexy to make sure it was kind of smooth, so that, you know, when I'm trying to put the next part on, there's nothing blobbing in the way of it. So it's, you know, it's not clean, but it's flat. So, okay, now this is where we're going to gain space, because this bit is like a pinch weld here on the car, and we are going to hammer this flat, like 90 degrees inwards. So I'm just going to give myself, oh sorry, bumped you around there, myself a wee bit of a guide here so I know where I'm going. And then I'm going to take to my Sprinter with a hammer. This is for all the times when I try to unlock the back door and it unlocks the front door, and I try to lock the front door and it unlocks the back door and it locks me out and all that kind of stuff. So you just take your key issue anchor out on your van here. This is what we're going to hammer that way. Alright, that's pretty good. Got all that, so much room for activities. Okay, that's where we've hammered in. Nicey. Now this bit has like a lot of excess, so this is just thin plastic, you can cut really easily on it. I'm going to cut straight across here on that. I'll just see. I'm going to cut across there, okay? Welcome to my office. Now we're going to grab this this metal thingamajiggy, 10 mil as well. Grab him. Alright, what's going to happen with him is, instead of being there, you want it to now pull all this situation back 2 inches. So you're going to take it up to the shop or whatever you've got going on and just put this end in a vise, and then just yank real hard on this end and twist it so that it's 2 inches back. Here's one I prepared earlier, aka I bent the one yesterday the wrong direction, so it'll work right here. So back on there. Alright, and then when I screw it up, see how this is now here, and I'm just going to pull that hole back. Alright, now I've got my Mondo and that little bit of original friend that was here, and these things go together using the same white clippy guys. Alright, and inside here there's a little hole that later on is going to put a little speed clip in and do it up, so we're going to line that up. Looks good, mark that. And I'm going to put a little hole in this, in the OG part. Let's put these out. You can drill it, or if you used to be a punk back in the day and started a million jackets, you might still have one of these. These are great for putting holes in this plastic. Alright. Punks. Nice little punk hole there. Alright. Save that for later. Alright. Two guys. Here's the old guy, here's the new guy. And that little old guy has some little clippies on him. So sneak those clippies. Get those. Toss that. Put these clippies in the same spot. Same way around on this friend. Oh, lovely jubbly. Alright, and then in the little bag of Terrawagen goodies, there's one more little speed clip. Get that. Oh, so tempted, but it's not time yet. Oops! Oh, I dropped him. Oh no, he's safe. Okay, this one little speedy guy. I'm gonna put him there on the only other logical hole for him to go. So that's where he goes. Alright, that. Alright, now I'm gonna put this back on, same way I took the silver guy off. Save all of your bits and pieces. Oh, handy nerd tip. Put your nerd things in the Ziploc lunch bag for a snack for later. Alright. Guys, it's these guys. Pew pew pew. Alright, now install your lower nut and bolt. If you remember, the one that put all that dust in my eye it's no good. Sort of attach the other one, so the Terrawagen kit comes with another one. Oh no, it's not the kit. It's not time for you yet. You gotta wait. Terrawagen kit. That in. And thusly. Alright, here the instructions said a whole bunch of stuff about modifying this, but mine fit just straight out of the box, so I don't know, I'm just not going to modify it. Put this back on. This gets squeezed in between the two. Same little 25 star guys are going to go in there. There's a clip at the back. I mean, you took it off, so just remember how to put it on. Back the same way. This guy going back on, so these four little clipperoonies, they're going to go back into these. Now you've got to get to that little hole that we punk jacketed in before. One more clip out of this thing. Oh, so close to jelly bean time. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. Alright. This guy. This guy. Alright. Right there. Hole, this little guy. Oh, I need your hands. I'm gonna put you down. Oh, you can't see it. Oh. Just imagine what I'm doing. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I can do it. Okay. Oh, I really can't do this. Right. Here, hold tight. Ta-da! Alright, he's in. Now, one more optional extra, which I choose to accept the option of. Okay, there's one more screw in that little bag of goodies. This is your optional extra. You don't have to do this. I guess it depends on how big your wheel's gonna go. You can put one more screw in here that's gonna go through this, and then through that same bit of metal that we hammered at 9 degrees before. It does give you like an extra inch, so I mean, take it, why not? 3 inch. I think from the instructions it says you can just go ahead and screw that straight in, but sometimes I find like I'm a tiny human, so I can't get it to go in sometimes, so I'm gonna pre-drill it. Shibba shabba. Well, shit. Wait a little longer for jelly beans. I'm gonna get a washer and fix that. I just drilled it. Screwed the screw all the way through the soft plastic. Damn it. It's okay. I fixed it. 1 second. Look, this is what I did. That's where I put the screw in it. I just chomped a hole straight through that. But maybe I'm just gonna use a whole bunch of these guys left over, and they're just plastic, so I'm gonna do that and that, and then I'll have a little washer guy. So, yeah, so try that. Put this back together again. 1 second. Alright, that went better. Good. Alright, it's in. We're done. There's extra room for activities. Big wheels from Falcon. Alright. Coconut.